Yo, what's up people? My name is Maro,
My name is Bo.
and today we are doing a very special video because, sorry, we are next to the road. That's actually the road right there. I don't know if you can see. This is the road right there. Actually, the one you're seeing there, that's like looks like a forest, is a big mountain. You forgot your favorite.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
It's kind of super good. So today we're gonna be talking about our plans after quarantine, right? So first, let me hear what you think. What do you think our plan should be? So let's say if the government has said it's gonna be ending quarantine mid next month. Yeah, mid next month. So what do you think we should do?
So we keep, if it's possible,
Yes.
we can keep traveling around Philippines as
Yeah.
the plan we start finish
Yeah.
like maybe a week or 2 weeks,
Yeah.
and then from then I will go to Thailand
Yeah.
and prepare my stuff.
Yes.
And after that, we talk with each other that we will go to Kenya.
Yeah. Africa. So these are our plans actually. Actually, maybe the title of this video will be "When are we going to Africa?" Maybe the title has changed.
Yeah.
So, you know, one of the major problems is even if we decide today, like we want to go to Africa, the thing is, if we arrive in Africa, we shall be put in quarantine,
Yes.
forcefully under quarantine. Even if Philippines says, okay,
You can
here
go.
you can go. And also, I saw in your home too, the day you shared that post where the government is strictly putting people into quarantine. Maybe you can come close now because
For
Yeah.
in Thailand,
yeah.
if I come from other country, I have to be quarantined
Yeah, for 14 days.
14 days. And after that, so I
I'm
can
bringing tall chairs. These chairs are really tall. I don't know if you can sit. Like sit now. Try to see. You can fit. Yeah, you can fit, right?
Okay.
Okay. So we keep talking about the other one.
Yeah, but I don't. How about this situation in Kenya?
The situation in Kenya.
Yeah.
Actually, if you arrive in Kenya, what they do is they put you in forced quarantine. Like there is no,
So same.
it's same as Thailand, so there is nothing like to
So
argue
it's
about.
mean the government prepare some place.
Yeah. No, actually, you have to pay. You pay. Let's say I arrive in Kenya today, the government will give me two options. Either they forcefully take me to the hotel where they want me to stay and pay, or I look for my own hotel to stay, which I'll still have to pay. You understand? Like I look for my own hotel. So the government does not give me food, does not give me hotel. Actually, in Thailand it's better. I saw they are giving.
Because they take care.
Yeah, they give people food, right?
Yes.
In my home, they are not. So, and our plan was, let's say this quarantine ends like today, we shall renew our visas, which right now have expired. And we shall renew our visas because the government has said, what I read from their website is, right now we don't have to worry about visas, any foreigner here, until when they officially announce the lockdown is over. And actually here, it's not about curfew, it's about lockdown. You know, other countries, people can do business during the day. but from 8 p.m. you can't. But here it's pure lockdown. Like you can only go buy essentials. But around 14th of this month, things have changed, right? Things changed. Things have started changing like slowly, step by step. So for those people asking when are we going to Africa, the situation will be probably when the quarantine is over here. Yeah, and over there too. I mean the lockdown, not quarantine. Then when it's over here, we shall stay a little time here as we assess situations, you know. Because also we want to travel in the Philippines. We really, really want to travel around the Philippines. We are in the beautiful El Nido. If you can see down there, for example. I don't know if you can see down there. That's the sea. That's the sea right there, you can see.
Yeah.
And we can't even go there, man. We are just stuck right here, you know. So the plan.
The first day we arrived here, it's locked down.
Yeah, the first day we arrived here, that was the day we had the lockdown here. So we shall just like fast travel around the Philippines. Then actually I'm thinking I should apply visa for Thailand. So if I go to Thailand with you, you can go see your family, and also I'll plan to go and to meet Bo's family, probably your mom. Yeah, because I feel kinda guilty, you know, if I just take a girl from Asia to Africa, and I was so close to her home, and I couldn't go to, you know, I couldn't go, you know, to see your mom and even say, okay, I'm taking your girl to Africa, at least have some faith in me. This guy here, I'm real, you know. So I think maybe before we can decide. Once I get the visa, you can leave early to go and prepare and fix some stuff. Then the day I come, we stay a little bit, then fly from Thailand to Nairobi, because actually there are direct flights. There are two flights I saw. One comes directly from Nairobi, Kenya to Thailand. Or we can go through from Bangkok to Ethiopia. Then from Ethiopia it's 45 minutes to my home. So we're trying to see like the best options, but all in all we are giving this just hope. Yeah, hope. Yeah, so what do you think so far? Is that plan okay?
Yeah.
Which places do you think we should travel in the Philippines if things open up?
For me, I really want to go to Coron.
Yeah.
Coron. It's just
You know,
next to
Actually, no, this place is called Coron, you know? El Nido,
another.
Coron. Oh, there's the Coron Island.
Yeah. But it's very close to El Nido.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want to go to Coron? And there's this other place they call Saigoy. You know Saigoy? The other island which is really famous like this.
Yeah.
So yeah, we plan to at least travel around, you know, here and there. At least, you know, because
Just
we
to see the beautiful.
Philippines, you know. And also we were thinking, you know, there is no rush of like we have to go, because the problem could be in those other countries we are rushing to, you know. Philippines can say, okay, lockdown is over. And we'll be like, okay, I'm leaving next week. But when you arrive the other country, they put you in the lockdown for like 2 weeks again.
Yeah.
They'll be like, man, I should have even spent these 2 weeks in the Philippines trying to discover the place.
Yeah.
So it has been really tough for us, but the plan is before we go to Africa, I think it's just fair, like I meet your family, you know. I just don't know what the mom will say or the dad. What do you think your mom will say?
She will be happy to see you.
Oh. Man, I'm finished. Yeah, okay. I can't wait to see your family, to be honest.
Me too.
Yeah, I don't know how your brother will greet me or your dad. You know.
I can't wait to see your family.
Oh, Jay.
Well, for you, I don't think it's gonna be any problem because my family, they are super chill.
Oh.
Very, very chill.
So I think too my family will be really chill. You are afraid to meet my mom?
Actually, a little bit like, but in the good way.
Yeah.
Like,
You
she
don't know.
talk like
Yeah, we plan to do some shopping also before we go to Africa. We can't just wait this corona thing to go away, man. Like if it goes away, we shall be really, really happy to be, you know. Well, man. Yeah, going to see both parents and yeah. We also have, I don't know, you know, now it's so confusing because initially our plan was to go to other countries before we go to Africa, but now honestly we feel like things are so bad, and I think we may actually end up going to Africa around August.
Yeah.
I think around August things will have cooled down, or maybe some countries will have decided to open up their home and be like, you know what, let's just travel, you know, and we're still wishing the best. Yeah. What was the topic of this video?
The plan after.
Yeah, the plan after the lockdown, man. So, yeah, I think still we are on the plan, but we just hope like things get smooth. And every day people have been asking us to create new content.
Yeah.
But honestly, the thing is, it's really difficult to create this new content you guys wanna see because we are like stuck, man. We have the same environment, but unless you guys wanna see some prank videos on our other YouTube channel, you know. Yeah, and this girl has been filming me many times without me noticing. I just find it on YouTube. Sometimes I find it on YouTube, on like TikTok, Instagram. Me, I'm doing my thing. I'm like now the song you saw on our other small channel, Bo and Marwa. I didn't know she was recording me, man. Hey, are you a spy?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know if my girl is a spy, man. I don't know if my girl is a spy.
I'm not.
You're not? How can I trust you? She looks to be too smart, actually. Really smart. Okay. That was not the point, but maybe the title of this video will change to be Is My Girlfriend a Spy? Yeah.
This title should be next video.
Oh, the next video. Okay. Okay. So guys, that's our plan. I think we shall travel in Philippines. That we can't actually. That's like absolutely important for us. Then from there, I will look for the visa for Thailand. I don't know if maybe they will ask me to present COVID-19 certificate. You know, it's crazy. You might think it's a joke, but it can be so crazy. But just in case they don't agree, we can plan a way, we can meet in Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I am very sure if I'm going to Kenya, the flight will be from here to Malaysia or Singapore, then from Singapore to Kenya directly. Yeah.
Actually, we can separate this a little bit and then you meet
Yeah. It's also, I think also it's gonna be healthy. But for now, there's nothing much we can do.
Yeah.
We just have to stay together.
We have to see how things
go. Yeah. But so far, what have you learned about this whole situation of like us being stuck here? And also I want to ask you this kind of creepy question, like kind of different. What has changed to me so much than the first day you met me? Or we should do this video on our other small YouTube channel.
No, I have
to think.
Yes.
Hey, actually we have another YouTube channel. It's called I Am Marwan Bo. We shall be doing that question, like what has changed much between me, like from the first day we met and now, how do we feel each other? And you know, at some point we fight a little bit, not like physically, but you know, argument here and there. So I think the next video in our other small YouTube channel will be really, really interesting. And apart from that also, hey, you have something special to say? Something you want our audience to know, like us being here and staying here for a while? What? What?
Help.
Oh, she wants me to help. Okay, so honestly, Philippines is a really good country. We don't feel like, you know, we don't feel the pressure like we like not like we are foreigners and everybody's running away from us, you know, like how other countries are doing, like China, for example. And talking about China, I just started a new YouTube channel called, I'll put the link here. You can go check. It's purely about African affairs. If you want to support me there, go give us a like, subscribe, share, man. At least for 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, but honestly, Philippines is very different. We really love it here. People are so nice. We don't feel like we are foreigners. Yeah, sometimes we walk with I walk with no shirt. Many guys do that. Maybe you've seen one guy pass here. People here operate like really chill, super chill. And now it's, yeah. And also I feel like, honestly, at some point, even if we leave this country, we shall be missing this place.
Yeah.
This place where we are staying.
And for me, I will find like looking for a chance.
Chance.
To come back.
Or to come back here.
Yeah, for sure.
When everything is like okay.
Yeah, actually, I really like people here.
Yeah.
In the morning,
Yeah.
I went to
The market. Yeah.
by myself, and I met this girl,
Yeah.
the girl next. This
This restaurant.
Yeah, they walk from the market.
We have
they
a restaurant.
Say hi to me.
That's the restaurant boys talking about. Yeah, they said hello to you.
Yes, and even in the market when they remember us,
Yeah.
they always like very kindly.
Yeah, very kind.
Yeah.
Yes.
After this, say hi.
Yeah. So
That's very nice.
yeah, even me, I believe one day I think we shall come back to the Philippines when life is like booming, everything is so hot. And I think also we shall come to this
place.
particular restaurant or hotel where we are staying, because it has been like our home, man. Yeah, it has been, and they give us breakfast every day for only $13, $13 a night, right? Yeah. So, but we really appreciate also you guys for supporting us. Many of you, sometimes when we do live streams, they send us some donations, PayPal and everything. Thank you so much, guys, and we really appreciate. I think we shall be ending our video there. Or you have something to say, Ibo?
See you next video. Maybe in the other channel.
Our small channel, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, thank you so much, and we shall see you next. Actually, it's getting dark now. Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yeah.